We're still at the Vegas Premium Outlet. It's got all kinds of sneaker shops here. Gonna hit up this New Balance factory store real quick. Is this the men? I think this is the men's clearance section, and everything with the yellow tag, 40% off. Pretty much all casual shoes in the men's section. $120 for these 998s right here, and these are made in the USA. $120, 40% off. Oh wait, here are some 1080 V14s in an awful colorway, $100. What are these right here? 998s. Is this like a collab? I thought it was like a collab because of color. But yeah, 998s. Another made in the USA pair right here. $100. $100. I see smaller sizes though for these, like size 8s and 9s. But the good thing is they can order stuff for you. You can see if they have it at the warehouse. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. 480s, $80. 1906, $100. 574. We've seen this colorway at other outlets. $70. Material on these are pretty freaking dope. 574 right here. $60. So that 36 after the savings. 550s right here. 110. 2002 Rs. 145. That's a dope colorway. These so remind me of Dunks. 80 for those. 50 for these. Not seeing too many yellow tagged items. Do got some 96. What are these? 9060s, right? 9060s, 130. Got these for 160. I think that's it for the yellow tags for the men's. Check out the women's clearance section right here. And I do see some super comp elites right here too. 50. They got one down there. As well as this one. Oh, it's a different colorway. Different colorway. 2 bills for this one. They're 120 after the savings, not bad. 1080s right here for $100 for that colorway, as well as this one right here. Fresh foam Moors right here. I think this was 120. I just saw someone grab another box. We saw Level 4s, 110. Another 1080V right here, $100. 574, 100. Got some 574s in the really small sizes. Damn, no price tag on that one. 80 for this one. 327s, $90. The colorway, the fresh foam more. Is this a different color? 120. And then the women's, we do have some yellow tagged items, including these Fresh Foam X Heroes and the Soft Nitrels. 574. Man, the freaking MSRP's climbing. Nike's raising prices too, so it is what it is. 680s. Multiple colorways. I think that's it. All the other stuff, buy one get one 50% off. I think that's it. All right, let's go hit up some more shops. Got an Adidas outlet, but they've been kind of whack, right? They got a Lids. This Lids locker room might be worth checking out. They do got some sales though, but you know, are the prices any good? So anybody can mark. They have a sale. Nike jacket right here, dry fit jacket. 100 to 100. That's what I'm talking about. Technically it's on sale, but not really, not at all actually. Price is kind of whatever. This generic hoodie right here, $60 still. Pro Standard or New Era. Got a New Era Lakers hoodie right here, 80. And like crazy, got one of these. Yeah, see, that ain't bad for $25. So guess you can find stuff. You just have to search. No additional discounts on that, just whatever's priced at. Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to wait till the semi-annual clearance sale in the summer. All right, Everett, let's go. All right, let's go check out the Shoe Palace. I want to say most Shoe Palaces have kind of had the same thing. Let's see if they have anything different. Got some kind of new releases here. Never seen these. Match with some Dodgers gear, right? The blue 130 for these. Does have patent leather and regular is it SE leather? It doesn't feel like SE leather, whatever. But yeah, those right there, I like those. I like these. It just looks so freaking nice. I could wear this with my work stuff, I guess. I haven't seen spray ground backpacks in a while. Look at this. That's hilarious. This is like a Squid Games one, right? It looks like a Squid Games, yeah. That's funny. So they got licensed spray ground Squid Games gear right here. This is, well, it's a backpack at least. I don't know how much you could fit in it, but kind of dope. They never have prices on it though. So it's, oh, 125 now. Well, at least they have a price on it. And I guess some of them are on sale a little bit. 110. We just saw those at the Nike clearance store for way cheap. 130 for these, which is actually like pretty close in price to the Nike clearance store. They probably have more sizes here. This is a men's 8 right there. And these Air Max, not too bad, not too bad. 130. Still like these. These books are alright, they're not too bad. Got the Kobe's right here. 210 for these bad boys. Should I have grabbed these for 30% off? Should I have done it? Should I have done it? I really like these. Did get the Cortez because it's easier to wear for work. I can't really wear this at work. I can, but I don't know how good these would look with slacks on because I do wear slacks to work. Damn, sneaker wise, I thought they had a lot more here. Do got a JD Sports. And this JD Sports has tons and tons of stuff, but anything on sale? Seen some sales tags and stuff, but sales are pretty mild, nothing crazy. $20 off for mids. I guess 40 off of that one. Budget running shoe De Ramos, we have been seeing those on sale at a lot of places. Evo SL, starting to see that on sale here, which is pretty freaking dope because these are comfortable if you like comfortable shoes or if you run. I just saw this for the first time at the clearance store. Got Gore-Tex Dunks. Starting to come out with more colorways. Got Gore-Tex, so it is weather protected. 155 for these. But yeah, sales wise, pretty mild, not too crazy. Like Air Forces, got AE 2s right here. And actually these, I am happy to see these on sale. 90 effing dollars. I forgot to check to see if I have this one or this one. I don't know. I have one of these. I don't remember which one I have. But $90 for both of these. This is the first location where I've seen both. It's actually, wow. That's the first place I've seen both of these. Wow, wow. Great selection here, but sales-wise, pretty mild, pretty mild. Next up, Bulldog Liquidator in Vegas. This place is freaking huge. I think it's bigger than the one out in Chatsworth. Those of you guys new to my channel, I've showed all the old, well, a lot of them are closed, Bulldog Liquidators in LA, and then we've also visited the ones out in Indianapolis. So we're gonna check out this spot. This is a liquidation store, so you're gonna see a lot of open box items or stuff with no boxes, but you should see significant discounts. Whole section of fans and heaters, holy cow. All kinds of bedding here. Obviously these are all Target returns, $12. What's the MSRP on these? Curious what the MSRP is. Doesn't have a price tag on it, the original price tag. No, but you can get a whole set. Oh, it's a bed skirt. It's a bed skirt for what, $9? Sheet set for $10. Got all kinds of different colors and different materials. I don't know. Exercise equipment, $650. The retail on this was $1,900. I think that's a sign from Dick's Sporting Goods, huh? And I think they're franchise ran, so each of them work slightly differently, and they get merch from different spots, I believe. One of the ones in Indianapolis had a bunch of sneakers. I'm not seeing any here. They got some random assortment of toys. Is this $8? Is that what it's going for? I feel like $8 is like not that good of a price. $25 for this one. I don't know. They got all kinds of random tools, all kinds of fixtures for the home. The one in Chatsworth, they had some printers. They had EcoTink printers, and I'm seeing if they have any here. I don't see any. Do not see any. I guess I'll have to check when I get back. Yeah, I don't see any here, so I'll have to see what they have. Look like a. Oh, this is without the battery. It's just the blower, just a brushless blower, $90. Got appliances as well. I checked the appliance section when I moved over there in Chatsworth, but yeah, I don't see any sneakers here. Definitely don't see any of the printers. Dang it. At this location, they also have bins, which is interesting. And today is Friday, so everything here is $3 on Fridays. You're really gonna have to search and see if you can find anything since everything is $3. Yeah, but I definitely ain't going through all this. I don't really feel like doing all that. I need to go drinking in a few minutes, but yeah, it might be worth a stop if you happen to be out here. All right, a few blocks away, got one of these. All right, looks like men's sneakers right here. Went through this entire section, and these Adidas, what are these called? Sarukus? These are the only things worth showing you guys. Adidas walking shoes at best, $40. Got some generic New Balance for $40. All the way up to size 10 now. And look, like a lot of the shelves are empty, and out of the stuff here, there's still not much to show you guys other than some generic, what are these, 515s right here? 515s going for $40. Then some of these Shaquille's, they've had these in a few different sizes. These have been what, 25, 25. Slim freaking pickings, you guys. Holy crap, Shaq. And those Sarukus, that's it. Okay, there's some superstars. But more or less, really not much here. Wow. Apparel-wise, might have some interesting stuff. Do have a Devin Booker jersey. He's with the team too and everything. $35? $35 for a large Devin Booker jersey. That is a Nike, not bad. And then baseball. Do got a Dodgers Nike jersey right here, $50. It is blank. And do got a Fanatics Dodgers t-shirt, $8. And got some bootleg looking stuff right here and here. And I think, is that it? Yeah, went through all this other stuff. Yeah, man, that's about it, dude. That's about it. Still better than LA. LA, we really haven't found nothing at Burlington's. All right, did arrive to Vegas a few hours ago. Been hitting up a few shops. Do got Jordan 2s on right there. These are the Mellow 2s. Nuggets colorway when Melo was a Jordan athlete. This morning it was cold, so I did have a Jordan poofy jacket on, but now just got a white t-shirt. Got Mamba. They got the Mamba pants on. I totally forgot I had these. I didn't even know I had these at home. I was like, what? Apparently I found a good deal on them. But yeah, that's day one outfit right there. Probably change clothes before I go out at night. And I'm trying to get as many videos as I can before I start drinking. Because when I start drinking, my level of indifference goes up dramatically. Yeah, $50 for these. Got plenty of these in the bigger sizes. If y'all wonder what that means, once I start drinking, I'm really not going to give a about YouTube or nothing. I'm just going to be drinking. Like, wow, there's really not much. How are people finding stuff? I see people on social media finding stuff. Big Money Mo on IG, freaking balling on a budget on. He posted it on YouTube, right? YouTube Short, $50 for these. Them fools finding all kinds of heat. I'm going to different states and not finding nothing. What the F? Just these damn campus. And I got some of you guys in the comments who come to one a week saying, hey, I can't find nothing. Like, dude, I try to go to as many as I can. There's still times when I can't find nothing. Yeah, so I got a love-hate relationship with these stores. Dang it. And it's like that with the outlets too. I think I'm done. With this video. Gonna hit up one more Nike outlet and then it's Vegas time. Out at the strip. You guys, scenery looks pretty nice. Have some beers. But look! Oh shit, what happened to the crowd, fool? There was like a big old crowd here when we were walking in. I was gonna show them the crowd, and the crowd's like, there's actually people walking down the strip, which I heard hasn't been happening, but there was a pretty big crowd earlier. I'll show you guys, because the crowd just went away. What the hell? Yeah, but look, this is Las Vegas Boulevard, and the crowd's like, they're actually back. And yeah, I get to drink while I walk around. I don't think we paid for alcohol. Have we paid for alcohol anywhere? Nah, man, we've been backpacking on a little backpacking trip. That's what's up. See, I'm telling you, the crowds are back. Look, and I didn't know Hard Rock they're redoing the Mirage. The Mirage, and I think that's gonna be a guitar, like a guitar shape. Because it says Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. That's crazy. I didn't know that. Never been in this casino. They don't have any tables, number one, which is kind of crazy. Bunch of slots, and then right next to it, they have like a food court. Look at this. What the hell? This is like crazy. I don't want to say trashy, but kind of trashy. What the hell? They don't even have any tables. God dang, they don't even have tables. What the hell? What the hell? It's bedtime. 6 a.m. Sun's coming up in a bit. You can also see the sphere from where we're at. What the hell is it doing right now? At night it looked like a moon. Now it's liquid. I'm down about $300 in bets throughout the entire weekend. You win some, you lose some. Yeah. Out in Vegas for the weekend. What sneakers did I bring? Did bring some Chucks. And I wore Chucks because I like wearing Chucks with dress pants because I hate wearing dress shoes. And I got Jordan 4s. These are the nostalgia 4s right here. Jordan 2s, aka Mellow 2s. You can wear that with white, you can wear that with all black, whatever. And then we have done a ton of walking, so these have been very useful. 1080 V14s, very useful. 27,000 steps today so far. And then my goal was to go running today, but yeah, that didn't work out because I was hungover as balls this morning. But yeah, that's how many pairs I brought for what, a 3-day trip. Downtown Las Vegas cracking more than the Strip late at night. That's kind of crazy. Wow. I was having way too much fun running, dude. Way too much fun. Let's go, guys. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.